Oh my gosh, when I first saw that he liked to dance, he was honestly in diapers. He just loved music. His face would light up. He would, in a diaper, he was dancing around. He would listen to music every chance that he had. It was just, yeah, ever since he was a baby. It's just something that's always been a part of him that I noticed, so.
A lot has changed in the past 30 years when it comes to high school athletic competitions, but a law in Minnesota has got some students and parents questioning what's fair and if it's time for a change.
Yeah, we've discovered a law that hasn't been updated since the 1970s is keeping some athletes out of competition. Most recently, it's kept a freshman right here in the Northland from being able to fully be part of the team that he loves.
My name is Joshua Thompson. I'm a senior attorney. I practice primarily in PLF's individual rights practice section. Kaiden attends Superior High School in Superior, Wisconsin, which is an isolated part of northwest Wisconsin. Across the river, however, is Duluth, Minnesota, a much larger city. Superior, Wisconsin, therefore competes in a Minnesota State Athletic Conference. There are Minnesota judges. It is governed by Minnesota rules, and therefore the Minnesota rule that prohibits boys from competing in varsity dance applies here, and Kaiden is prohibited from competing with his teammates.
My name is Kaiden Johnson. I go to school at Superior High School. I started dancing when I was about 5 years old. I started dancing at a studio in Superior, and then I progressed to a studio in Duluth, and then now I'm at the high school. I think right then and there when I started dancing, I knew it was something I really wanted to pursue. I do currently at the high school jazz, pom, and kick, but before that I did ballet, tap, lyrical. I just did all sorts of dance. We danced about 12 hours a week, just really focusing on technique and just how to basically perfect dancing in itself. I was getting ready, I had my costume on. My friend came running out of the dress room and she basically told me that I wasn't allowed to dance. And at first, it just hit me and I was like, okay, can I dance with the team? Am I not dancing at all? And then once we finally went on, I realized that I wasn't doing anything for points. I believe everybody should have the right to do what they want and do what they love. I don't think it should be based off whether you're a boy or a girl. I was bullied a lot and many people just saw it as girls could dance and boys couldn't.
Kaiden was denied the opportunity to compete simply because he's a boy. That violated his constitutional right to equal protection under the 14th Amendment, and we believe that a federal court should remedy that constitutional injury.
That's something that I know it's just been a part of him. You watch him dance, and as a parent, when you see your child doing something that they love so much, that is such a huge part of who they are as a person, I couldn't be happier than to see him do something that he loves so much. And that is just, it's who he is. It's what he has always done since he was a baby. Sorry.
It's fine.
I know a lot of boys who want to dance in Minnesota. And I think if I open the door or I kind of motivate something in the works to allow them to dance, I think I'll feel almost completed and I actually did something besides just dance.